Hello everyone. So now we are going to solve a random question for chapter 13 probability. The question says a dice is thrown twice and the sum of the numbers appearing is observed to be 6. Okay. What is the conditional probability that the number 4 has appeared at least once? Okay. As we can see here, the dice is thrown twice, therefore, the sample space or the total number of outcomes are going to be 36. Okay, now further reading the question, we get that the sum of the numbers appearing is observed to be 6. The sum of the numbers appearing is observed to be 6. Okay, so it is given to us that let B be the event in which the sum of the numbers appearing is 6. Okay, the sum of the numbers appearing is 6. Okay, now so this event occurs in the following ways. Okay, 1 5, 5 1, 2 4, 4 2, and 3 3. As these are the only number of possible outcomes in which the sum of both the outcomes is going to be 6. Okay, now moving on, what is the conditional probability that the number 4 has appeared at least once? Okay, an event A is given. Let A be an event in which the number 4 appears at least once. Now, the words at least once means that the number 4 occurs one time or more than one time. Okay, at least once means the number 4 appears one time or more than one time. Okay, now this event occurs in the following ways. Okay, 1 4, 2 4, 3 4, and now whole row of 4 having outcomes. Okay, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, now 5 4 and 6 4. Okay, now what is going to be A intersection B? Now finding the A intersection B, we get that only 2 4 and 4 2, 2 4 and 4 2 are the only matching outcomes. Okay, so now let us write them down. 2 4 and 4 2. Okay, now probability of A given B is equals to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B is equals to P of A intersection B, two outcomes. Okay, upon total number of outcomes 36. P of B has 5 outcomes. Okay, by 36, which gives us the answer as 2 by 5. Done.